Namaste student, myself Dr. Suresh Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Mathematics. Today I will discuss about birds and their management. Then firstly, birds belong to the class Aves, and their body is covered with feathers. They have a unique characteristic for four limbs modified as wings. Mouth is continues to form a beak and are homothermous and granivorous. About 0.85% losses are caused due to the birds in storage. There are mainly infestation in birds in the storage. The damage done by birds to food grain in fields and store is appreciable both quantitatively and qualitatively. The average consumption by birds ranges from 8 to 25 gram per day. And beside eating grain in the field and godowns, they are also responsible for spoilage, contamination with extra fetus and dead bodies. Then some of them are responsible for spreading diseases. They are create nuisance and unhygienic condition in warehouses. Then some of the important parts in agriculture importance are described now. First is common disease named blue rock beach, and scientific name Columbella livia. And then is infestation Carnivorous eat food grain in grain mandibles and godowns. Then house sparrow is a scientific name Pager domesticus. Then principally Carnivorous lies on the inter-house and warehouses eat grain in open and bag storage. Then house crow is a scientific name Corvus spindles. Then this is omnivorous feeding on kitchen wastage to dead animals and hence considered as the best scavengers. Then fourth is rose-ringed parakeet, scientific name Psittacula crameri. Normally, frugivorous attack depending cereals, crops, and food grains in open storage. Then very important common manna, the scientific name Acetotherus testatus. They damage food grain in field and mandies, but seldom enters warehouses. Six is Baya and viewer birds. The scientific name Proles Philippinus. And pest of paddy grains. Then another is spotted munia, scientific name Lonchura punctorata. And then feed on ripening paddy grains and other grass seeds. Then management is very important of birds. Management of habitat, manipulation, trimming trees, removal of shrubs or borders, reducing roosting in a place where birds settle and sleep. Then netting arrangement of trap and net for catching the birds. Then scheduling baiting of the pigeons, mechanical works, scars, metallic gunners, and pyrotechnics, art of making fireworks, and biocaustic making distress cars, then filling blank with gun, and throwing missionaries, then keta piloting to shoot from a hand, and destruction of egg and nets, use of non-toxic sticky material like NASA, and growing birds of resistance variety like गंगा थ्री रेजिस्टेंस वैरायटी होती है बर्ड्स की पत्ती। देन फर्स्ट आता है इसमें गंगा थ्री मेज sorghum, and then use of the pigment like sulfuric oxide, meteor and use of chemostimulant like mestanol, ontilone and erythron. Then fumigation of holes. Then use of stabilizing substance immobilization, narcotics, alpha crore loss 1 to 2% in bats. This is some brief birds and their management. Thank you.